Hi guys, today I want to show you how to create a calendar in Notion. First, you want to connect to Notion Workspace, then head over to Notion Calendar. It will redirect you to Notion Calendar. This is the new Notion Calendar we have. Then you can just add database here. I will add already created database. You can create database also in Notion. So I'm going to select this database here and then click on it. That's it, guys. We have our database here in Notion added to our calendar. Today, I want to show you how to make a progress bar in Notion. First, you want to create a new page plus icon here, then call it progress bar, then add slash and add database inline. And here add property, type number, select number, edit property. Go back and click on bar. That's it. Now, when you type property number 20 or 30, it represents 30% in a bar. Today, I want to show you how to delete Workspace in Notion. It's a very simple step, so just head over to Workspace, click on Settings, and then head over to General. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will find here Delete Entire Workspace button. Click on it, and then retype your workspace name here. And then click on Permanently Delete Workspace. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, I want to show you how to share a page in Notion. First, you want to select your page here, and then go click on top right on Share. Then here, you can type the emails of people you want to share with your page, email or group name, and then click on Invite. Invitation link will be sent to them. Then your page is successfully shared. And that's it, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.